Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. We have another What Sold video for you today. It is Friday. The kids are gone. We're actually going to be heading up to Denver for the weekend. But first, we have this What Sold to show you guys. So here's Kathy to show you what's sold for us today.
Hey guys. All right, let's start with eBay BL. These were my son's Abercrombie jeans. I got them off eBay for about $12.50. I got like 2 pairs for $25. And he did not like that they had rips in them. I think I mentioned that before. So I think I made him wear them one time, and then I was like, that's fine. I'll just sell them. So they sold for $14.95 plus shipping. So I got most of my money back, if not all, on those. And I sold a hat. This is just a hat from the Broadmoor Golf Club, and if you're not from Colorado, you probably have never heard of the Broadmoor, but it's just it's pretty much like the nicest hotel in town.
In Colorado Springs, at least.
Yeah, they have a really nice golf course and everything. It's a really beautiful property.
Yeah.
So this was a wool blend hat, so it was only $1. I took a chance on it and probably shouldn't have, but it sold finally for $7 plus shipping. So made some coffee money. All right, DA. George. Oh, who's George? George is a Walmart brand. So these are some Walmart brands from Chunks. I actually bought these because when we were in Nebraska, we wanted to go swimming in the hotel pool, and I didn't think Chris had got any swim trunks. So when I was out thrifting, I saw these. They were new with tag. I was like, oh, I'll grab it for him. But he did have some swim trunks, so we didn't need them, so I just sold them. They were, yeah, new with tag, like I said. So $7.95 plus shipping. I paid like $3.50 for them. At this point, I just wanted my money back.
Yeah.
So we'll take that. I definitely don't go out of my way to source George brand. All right, box V. All right, this is a Wrangler Pearl Snap button-down shirt. This sold for $19.95 plus shipping, and I bought it for $6 at Plato's Closet. And then DC, this is Chris's shirt sale. Although he only sourced it, I did everything else.
Yeah, I did not get to photograph or list it or anything like that.
So if you missed this video of ours, you should definitely go back and watch it, because we did a $50 thrift haul challenge with some friends, well, YouTube friends. And because I didn't have time to really get out, he went and thrifted. And
of course, I pick up the King Ding Dong shirt, right?
Yes, so this is one of the shirts he picked up. It actually sold to a viewer, so I'll read you what they said really quick. So this is going out to Kelly. She wrote, "Hey, Chris and Kathy, I just had to buy this shirt for the ding dong in my life. We love it. Great sourcing, Chris. I'm a newer sub of your guys' channel. It has quickly become one of my favorites. I've been buying, oh my gosh, I can't read. I've been binging the past few videos, and I'm always looking forward to the new ones. Thanks for all the tips and knowledge you share. It has been very helpful, and I'm just starting my reselling business. I really appreciate your content, and you have the cutest little boys and Reese." So thank you, Kelly.
Yeah, thanks, Kelly, so much for the kind words.
She picked up this King Ding Dong shirt for $9. What was it? $9.94 plus shipping. That was an offer I sent her. I saw that I had a watcher. And yeah, Chris paid $2 for it. So the comps were not great when I went to list it. So I was just, I mean, we had already photographed it. We were going to list it. So hopefully it fits your King Ding Dong, Kelly. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Kelly.
And this next sale is actually another viewer sale. She has bought from us before, but Angela picked up this whistle and flute taco truck shirt. That's cool. I'll tell you in a minute, but so she's just said, "I love this shirt, showing you all some love again from North Carolina. I absolutely love all the videos. Thank you for all you do by sharing so much." But yeah, I bought this for myself off Bosch because my kids have this shirt, and I love tacos and I love food trucks.
Yeah.
So yeah, it just didn't fit. So I listed it, and she picked it up for $24.95 plus shipping. So Angela, thank you so much.
Angela, thank you so much for the support, continued support. You have purchased from us before, so we appreciate it so much.
Yeah. right, couple more eBay CN. This is just a Patagonia Capilene base layer shirt, so I have a hard time leaving anything Patagonia. These don't usually sell for a ton to begin with, but this sold for even lower than all the others I've sold. But I paid $3.99 for it and only sold for $10.46 plus shipping, but I'm happy to see it go. And then CE, a pair of CrossFit shoes. So it's probably the best sale of the day so far. This hasn't been, we made a lot of sales, mostly just getting money back on stuff, which is good too.
The King Ding Dong shirt is the best sale of the day.
No, this is the best sale of the day. These sold for $49.95 plus shipping, and I had $8.99 into them, so really good deal.
Okay, that's better, I guess.
Yes. All right, then we actually had one more Facebook sale. So AI. These are some men's Kiva sandals, and these sold for $30 plus shipping. And I had $9.99 into those. All right, and then the last two sales were Mercari, so AJ. Right, this is an Oakley beanie. I actually bought this off Kidizen from a friend a while back. I bought it for myself, but I just never wore it, and I never really wear hats. So I decided to list it, and it just sold for $12 plus ship. I think I bought it from her for $12, so basically losing out on the Mercari fee that they'll take and making the rest back.
Kathy doesn't go outside when it's cold enough to wear a hat.
Try not to. And BF. These are just a Dansko, like an open back black leather cloth. I got these from the bins a while ago, and they sold for, I just listed them though. They've only been listed like a week. $30 plus shipping. So about $1 or $2 into them, into 30. So yeah, that was it for today so far. And since we're heading on our little trip, any other sales that come in, we'll have to wait till Monday.
Yeah, so we'll go ahead and pack this stuff up, and we'll close out the video after that. All right, guys, we got that all packed up, ready to go, ready to take a thumbnail pic. And, well, we've already recorded a haul video today for all these shoes and some clothes. I don't know if that's going to be out before or after this video. And, yeah, we are going to rush these out to the post office and head up to Denver. We were expecting to get out a lot earlier than we are. We were planning on leaving around noon, and it is now 2 o'clock. We had a snowstorm come in last night. The kids were gonna stay at grandma's over the night. We started heading out, but the roads were just too bad, so we turned around and came home. So we had to wake up extra early this morning at 6 a.m., which it's been a long time since we woke up at 6, I'll be honest. And yeah, we headed down to grandma's, took them, sent them off on their trip. They're going down to Texas for the weekend to spend some time with some cousins. And we're gonna go up to Denver to spend the weekend together with Reese, because Reese's gonna come with us. And we're gonna go thrifting, go check out the bins, and we're definitely going to be finishing up our stimulus check challenge this weekend as far as purchasing. We'll figure it out. We have, what, 2 or 3 days to be able to source up there. We're actually gonna take the car seats out of the back of the van, lower the seats, and it's gonna be plenty of room for us to put stuff that we source all weekend. So I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yep.
All right. I think that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this one. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.